Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy trade. It's so simple. So here I have already created an account, deposited some $1, that is $1, and then I will show you how you can deposit it. So in creating an account, I will not show you that today because I have done that already. So here you can see after logging in using Chrome, you first need to log in into your Deriv account, and then if you don't have an account, just create an account. I have also left a video in the description explaining you how you can do it. So here you need a standard MT5 account. So just tap on the gate. We have a gate somewhere here. It is similar to this one, so it will be just here. Just tap it and then set the password. After setting the password, you will be ready, and then download this app, which we call it Deriv Nakala. You can see it here. So this app is the one that you require to copy trade profitable trader, and it is on Play Store. Just search Deriv Nakala and you will see it. So simple, just Deriv Nakala, and it is here, and then you just install it. Now here on your account, there's something you need to do. When creating an account, there are details that you need to see. So tap on the open, and then these are the server details. So you will see a server there. Just open it and search for this server, choose it, and then after choosing it, enter your login ID and your password. You will have set that account there. Now to transfer the money there, of course you need a balance, and my balance, you can see it here. So to transfer it, I just open here, I just transfer here, and then I choose the amount that I will transfer. So I had a problem and I have discovered how you can resolve it. So when this website, you are not using this website for a long time, it will become inactive and it might be troublesome to use. So what you need to do, just refresh again, or just start again. So for my case, I was trying to transfer some funds, but I could not load this pop-up. So what I did, I just started again. I just started Deriv, and then I logged in just this way. That way I was able to go back to where I was. So let me go to Traders Hub so that you can see them. So here I am on Traders Hub. I just tap on the transfer, and then you will see it should load normally. So what I need to do is just transfer another $1 to my MT5 standard account. So I just tap on transfer and it will be transferred. If I want to withdraw the $2, I also just tap transfer, and then I can just exchange. Just choose this one, and then you see it will just exchange itself. Then I will place that $2 and I transfer back to my balance, ready to withdraw my money out. So back to the Deriv Nakala app, here we are. So I will start the app again so that it refreshes the balance. So it is $2. As you can see, it has updated. Now if I want to copy any traders or strategies, so for me, I will just choose these strategies, and then I will copy them based on the low drawdown, this one. so that I avoid a lot of risks. So here I just open see all, and then I can see them. So if I want to see any trader, just tap on this percentage, and then you will see that trader. From my case, I see this trader is a good one, or this is a strategy. So here you can see the coins, the options that this trader is using. So you just open this one, and then you see, as you can see, you just tap on this chart, but it is called a graph or whatever. You just tap, and then you see which is mostly traded. You see this strategy. So if I want to copy, I just tap on this one, and then I will start copying. So let me try and show you how you do it. Now on the trade side, I want to choose one. Now here we have a fixed size. This is where you set the amount that will be traded when that trader executes a trade. Then we have mirror the master size. This is where you copy directly. Let's say that trader places a trade of $10, then a $10 trade will be executed on your account. And then we have proportional by equity. This is where depending on the equity that you have on your account, it will occur in the same percentage as that trader. If a trader has a certain amount of equity, then he places a certain amount of a trade. Depending on that percentage ratio between equity and the amount of that trade is the same percentage that will be used on your equity and the amount of trade that will be placed on your account. And then we have proportional to the balance. This depends with your balance, so you can set that one. So here I just choose a fixed size so that I set the one that I need. Now the fixed size, my fixed size will be 0.5. For every trade that will be executed, it will be of 0.5. Then I will start by copying existing trades, and then I will agree and copy. So simple. I need to confirm these ones, understand this, and then tap OK and yes. In that, I will have copied this strategy. Now if I open here, you will see that we have the account status, so you can see it. And if I want to edit that copy or stop it, I just go back to the strategy. So here you can see it. Open that strategy, and then you see you can edit it. Just edit, or you can just delete it. If you want to delete it, you just click here, and then you close all open trades. It will just be deleted. So that is it. I have a link if you are new here, or you don't have an account and you want to create one. I have a link in the description. Be sure to check it out so that you can create an account and start trading right away. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.